Let's explore the interconnected world of search engine optimization, also known as SEO, and user experience or UX. It's about understanding how these two areas work together to make a website successful. SEO focuses on making a website visible to search engines, while user experience is all about making a website enjoyable and easy for visitors to use. They're two sides of the same coin, working in harmony to create a successful online presence. Search visibility helps people find the website, and user experience ensures they have a good time. Now let's dive into the core elements of SEO. It all starts with technical foundations. First, we have mobile-first indexing, meaning search engines primarily use the mobile version of a website for indexing and ranking. Second, fast loading speed is essential. A website should ideally load in less than 3 seconds. Next, we need a secure HTTPS protocol to ensure data privacy. Finally, a clean URL structure makes it easier for both users and search engines to navigate the website. Moving on to content optimization, it includes keyword research, which involves finding out what terms people are searching for and understanding their intent behind those searches. Then we need quality meta descriptions. These are the short summaries that appear under the title in search results. Optimized header tags like H1, H2, etc. structure the content in a way that helps search engines understand its importance and relevance. Lastly, rich snippet support helps enhance the appearance of the search results by showing extra information, such as reviews or pricing. Next, let's discuss user experience factors. Key user experience metrics are crucial for SEO success. First, we have Core Web Vitals. These are key metrics that Google uses to evaluate user experience. These include the largest contentful paint or LCP, which measures loading performance. The goal is to have the largest content element render within 2.5 seconds. Then, first input delay or FID measures how quickly a website responds to user interaction. This should be no more than 100 milliseconds. Lastly, cumulative layout shift or CLS measures the visual stability of the web page, and the goal is to keep it at 0.1 or less. These metrics influence the site's search rankings. A site with good metrics tends to rank higher, while a site with poor metrics will rank lower. The bar chart shows a visual representation of how these metrics can impact rankings. Let's now understand the correlation between SEO and user experience. They are interconnected. The diagram here illustrates that, showing SEO and UX as overlapping entities, with an area of intersection indicating their combined impact. SEO and UX are not separate things. They need to work together to create the best website. Some key impact areas of UX on SEO are page load time. A faster loading site improves rankings and user engagement. Then we have user engagement. When users spend more time on the website, search engines see that as a positive signal. And finally, mobile responsiveness. Ensuring a good mobile user experience improves a website's ranking in mobile search results. The two-way arrows show the interdependency of the concepts. Let's explore how behavioral metrics impact SEO. Engagement metrics are vital, and these include average time on page. The longer users stay on a page, the more relevant the content seems to search engines. The gauge shows the time at 3 minutes 45 seconds. The bounce rate, which represents the percentage of visitors who leave a site after viewing only one page, should be lower. In this example, it is 35%. Then we have interaction patterns. Click-through rate, or CTR, is important, and it measures how often people click on your site from the search results. A higher CTR means people find your titles and meta descriptions engaging. Here it is shown as 4.2%. Lastly, the pages per session. The more pages users view during a visit, the better the content seems. Here it is shown as 2.8 pages per session. The gauges visualize the current state of each of these metrics. Let's focus on the navigation and site structure of a website. There are best practices for navigation. First, you should use clear URL structure with descriptive URLs including keywords. Secondly, breadcrumb navigation should be implemented to show clear hierarchy. And finally, strategic internal linking allows better crawlability of your website and improves user experience by guiding the user. An ideal site structure includes the home page as the starting point, and then branching out into category and subcategory pages, creating an easy-to-navigate website. Now let's look at some technical optimization strategies. In terms of code optimization, an example is image optimization. Using HTML attributes like lazy loading and responsive images helps to make the site more efficient. Resource hints such as preloading and prefetching can make your website load faster. Code splitting is a performance technique which involves loading JavaScript code only when it's needed. Performance metrics should also be considered. File optimization includes minifying CSS and JavaScript, and also compressing images, and enabling gzip compression. Also, responsive design and mobile-first approach is required for best user experience. Finally, caching strategy using browser caching, service workers, and content delivery networks or CDNs makes the website faster for repeat visitors. Next, let's explore content optimization strategies. Semantic HTML should be used to structure the content so it is clear and accessible. It should follow a clear hierarchy with HTML tags like article, headings, and sections. The tags emphasize the importance of semantic HTML and a clear hierarchy of the content. The content should also follow a checklist. It should be written in natural language, keeping humans first and search engines second. The content should be structured in a way that helps it win a position 0 for featured snippets, and also include schema markup to enhance the search results by creating rich snippets. Let's delve into measuring success through analytics. Key SEO metrics include click-through rate or CTR, which is the percentage of people who click on the search result. Here it is shown at 4.2%, with a 0.5% increase. Also, organic traffic, which indicates how many people visit the site from search engines. Here it is shown at 125,000 visitors, with a 12% increase. Key user experience metrics include bounce rate, which is shown at 32% with a decrease of 3%. And the average time on page, which shows how long the user stays at that page, is shown at 3 minutes 45 seconds with an increase of 30 seconds. These numbers and the indicators show the website's current performance. Let's summarize the key takeaways and outline some next steps. In terms of implementation strategy, first prioritize core web vitals. Focus on optimizing LCP, FID, and CLS. Next, adopt a mobile-first approach and make sure your website is easy to use on mobile devices. Remember, all search engine optimization and user experience improvements should be driven by data and focused on the user. Next, here are some action items. Regularly audit your website to keep track of performance and user experience. Make sure you continuously improve your website based on user feedback and analytics. As a next step, develop a detailed optimization roadmap that has specific goals and milestones. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.